Hi, it's Kat here and welcome to my bedtime winter skincare routine. Before any further ado, I'd like you to like this video and comment down below. Make sure to also subscribe to my channel for more content. Say goodbye to blemishes and unclogged pores with this 3-in-1 cleanser. I really love how it feels on my skin. With this refreshing toner, you'll have no doubts about any dark spots, as it also helps tightening your pores. Waking up with a greasy face is never a problem with this dual action moisturizer, as it helps reduce oiliness and prevent spots.